Tired of the same old Sudoku puzzles? We've just introduced a fantastic new feature to our Sudoku tool that allows you to personalize your puzzles like never before. You can now add your own custom text for the Sudoku values, giving a unique twist to this classic puzzle. Let's head over to a book creator and I'll walk you through how to use this exciting new feature. To use this new feature, you need to go under Book Settings and change the puzzle type to Custom Sudoku. Then you need to go under Puzzle Settings and look for this, Values for Puzzles, and set these to whatever you want them to be. So how about we use cat, dog, pig, goat. And now you see, instead of having numbers or letters, you have the words that you put in here. And this works for all of the different sizes. So for 6 by 6, you're going to need to now enter 6 different values. You could do, for example, skip counting and do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And now your puzzles look like this, with the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 values instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you just want to use letters, you can do that too. And you can even use decimal points. That's going to make it even harder. You want to be sure and explain what values you're using in your puzzles in the front matter pages of your book, so the people solving them will know how to solve the puzzles. And you can also do this for 9 by 9. Now we need 9 different values. In this case, let's do skip counting by 3s. So this gives you complete control over the values you want to have inside of your puzzles. So let your creativity go wild and create some fun and new Sudoku puzzles that are going to work perfectly with your brand. If you have any questions about this tool or suggestions for future updates, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.